So good morning students. In continuation of my earlier lecture electricity, where we have discussed the two electric currents, alternating current and direct current. So now let's start off. We have already discussed applications also. So let's just go through with that first, as it comprises our first chapter of the syllabus. So applications of electricity, as written on the board: applications in industries, for lighting purposes, for various instruments operation, for heating, for cooling, and many other. For domestic purpose, heating, refrigeration, all our appliances work on electricity. TV, such as TV, radio sets, fans, geysers, ovens, lamps, coolers, ACs. Commercial buildings, third is commercial buildings, as of just malls, cinema house, they all come under commercial buildings, which the IT industries, commercial building. They uses they have very high demand of electricity. It provides cooling and heating facilities. Fourth is defense. Okay, are all the wings of army, military, air force, navy uses electricity for various purposes. ठीक है, their radar system, as spying is the backbone. हमारे कंट्री में, हर कंट्री के लिए बैकबोन है सक्सेस ऑफ आर्मी का, जो इज स्पाइंग. सो radar systems, they all work on electricity. Last is medical appliances. All in medical field, various instruments for testing, like for ECG, ECG में जो microscopes use होते हैं, for X-ray machines, for shortwave diathermy units, all work under electricity. ठीक है, all the doctors जो हैं, they diagnose करते हैं जो diseases को and give the appropriate medicines जो भी prescribe करनी होती हैं. They all give the medicines based on the various tests, and these tests are performed with various instruments. So they all are the most important fields which uses electricity, and there are many other also. So the last topic of the first chapter is advantages of electrical energy. The first point is cheapness. It is cheapness से मतलब क्या है? It is economical. ठीक है, सस्ता पड़ता है. So it is economical comparatively from DC. ठीक है, easy to handle. It can be handled very easily over a long distances. Towers लगे हुए हैं, कहाँ पे generate हो रही है, और throughout the India it is distributed. So through conductors of suitable size. Flexible. It is flexible. Electricity system is very flexible, and it can be taken any corner of the house. कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं, any factory, streets, with the help of solid and stranded conductors. Cleanliness. Electrical heating and direct electrical drives do not produce any smoke. कोई smoke, कोई धुआं, कोई dust, कोई नहीं फैलती. So it is very clean type of energy. Next is, it is easy to operate. Electrical system starting, control and operation बहुत simple है. It is convenient. ठीक है. Then no fumes and poisonous gases. While working, electrical energy is not associated with smoke, as earlier discussed. It does not exhale any poisonous gases. That is why it can be safely used for domestic as well as industrial purposes. Then last is pleasant and cheaper light. Electrical lamps, specially designed fluorescent tubes, FTLs, जो घरों में हमारे tube lights होती हैं, give rise to pleasant and cheaper light as compared to the produced by other lamps. So these are some of the advantages of electricity. So what are the sources of electricity? Source of energy electricity के कैसे? Sun, wind energy, water, fuel, as we all know, nuclear energy, tides, sea waves and biomass. So under all these things, what we have understood is AC is preferred over DC. Okay, as we have discussed the differences between AC and DC, it is cheaper, it is robust, it is durable. The maintenance cost of AC equipment जो है वो काफ़ी कम है. The speed of motors AC में कंट्रोल की जा सकती है easily. It can be stepped up and stepped down easily. So here I end my lecture. This lecture is prepared by Medha Walia. Thank you.